Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the theme of your Shopify store. Switching themes is a great way to refresh your design, improve the user experience, and better match your brand. Let's walk through it together, step by step, on how to update your store's look. On the Shopify dashboard, we need to go to the Online Store section. Once we're there, we just need to scroll down. Here, we can see the themes available to apply. We just need to click on Visit Theme Store. Here, we can see a wide variety of themes. We can choose either a paid or a free theme. Let's go with a free one. Once we've picked a theme, wait for the page to load. For this example, let's select this one. Once we've chosen, just click on it and then click to confirm. As we can see, it is adding the heritage theme to our online store. Let's wait for it to finish loading so we can apply it to our site. This is an automatic setup done by Shopify. Now, we just need to click Publish. We simply choose the theme we want and click Publish. Then, click Publish one more time to confirm. And that's it. That's how we change the theme of our Shopify store. With just a few clicks, we can completely transform the look and feel of our online shop.